Hi guys, good morning. Today is the 28th of December and it's our wedding anniversary. The 5th wedding anniversary. So kami lang dito ni David sa Bali, Indonesia. Kasi nga guys, umuwi kami sa Pinas nung the 13th. We arrived in the Philippines on the 13th of December. And then ngayon lang kami, kahapon lang kami pumunta dito sa Bali, Indonesia. 27th of December, and then we arrived here the 28th, madaling araw na. We arrived here mga 12 a.m. kasi nga delayed yung flight namin sa Manila to Bali, which is okay lang naman. And then nakapunta kami, we arrived here in the hotel mga around 3 kasi nga sobrang haba ng pila ng immigration. And then tawag dito sa visa ni David kasi nga it's holiday, so sobrang daming tourist or sobrang daming tao sa airport. And then nakarating kami dito sa hotel namin mga around 3 a.m. And then ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung aming room. Sobrang ganda niya. May balcony din kami pero may katawag si David. And yung mga bata pala guys nandoon lang sa Pinas sa family ko. And I really miss them pero pinush ako ni David na that's fine kasi nga ngayon lang kami magkataon na mag-date na kami lang dalawa, tapos magbakasyon na kami lang dalawa in 1 year. So, we will be here for 7 days. 1 week kami dito. And today is our anniversary. And nag-Christmas kami sa province where I grow up with my family. And then, yun na guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming room. Yan yung mirror. Pero, ayaw kong makita yung reflection ko sa mirror kasi nga, hindi okay yung suot ko. And then, dito guys, yung restroom. Yan. Separate siya sa bathroom. And then, yan yung front door dyan. Dito naman yung lagayan ng mga gamit. Yan, mga bags, and then may malaking mirror dyan, and then again, hindi ko ipakita yung aking katawan kasi nga yung suot ko ay hindi okay. And then we have the shower. Sobrang ganda ng shower nila. Yan. And then we have the 2 mirrors. Yan. Wait. Yan siya guys, ito siya. Yan. It's very nice. Yung mga, ay! Nakita nyo. Yan. And then, yan yung bathtub. Then, dito yung mga free stuff nila. Mga comb. They have loofah. They have sanitary bag. Mga ganyan toothbrush. And then, the bathtub. Pero, maklose mo yan siya, guys. Yan. Inopen ko lang siya. And then, ito yung bathroom. And then, ito yung aming bed. Pasensya na ako. Hindi siya organized kasi nga, of course, we slept when we arrived here. And then, yan siya. May small couch dyan. And then, ito, free nila to guys, dito. Free beer nung, basa na siya, bash. Free beer siya. Niligyan nila kami ng free beer. And tas, itong small card. Greetings card. And then may balcony kami guys. Pero may katawag si David. Look. Yan. Wait lang. Kasi may katawag siya. And then yan yung TV. At then may coffee. Of course. Siya. Free yan. And then we have these snacks. Free din yan. Pero hindi ko alam kung kainin namin yan. Pero I'm sure dalhin namin yan. Pinas. Balik sa Pinas. Dalhin ko to siya guys kung hindi namin siya makain kasi nga free siya, so sayang naman kung hindi siya dalhin. And then we have these drinks here. Free to siya, itong 6. And then the alcohol, hindi siya free. So they have Coca-Cola Zero, they have the regular Coca-Cola, and then they have the vitamin orange. They have, parang nila soda dito sa Bali. Tas 2 sparkling water. Yan lang. Tas TV dyan. Ito yung lagayan ng tea if you wanna drink tea. And then ito yung lagayan ng card nila. Ang pangalan pala ng aming hotel guys is Andas Bali. It is a very nice hotel. Very nice. So, I highly recommend this place. So, yan siya guys. Tingnan niyo siya. Pwede siya ma-close. Diba? Yan. Ah! Yan. Yan. Yan lang siya guys. Yung bathroom. Yan yung restroom. Ito yung parang closet nila. Parang you can close this. Yeah. Closet. Paano ba to? Light lang. Light sa closet. Yeah. Yan lang siya guys. Tapos na kaming tapos na kaming mag-breakfast. And yeah, yung breakfast nila is in-include ni David yung breakfast namin. So, it's unlimited, a la carte. So, you can order whatever you want. So, sobrang busog namin. Sobrang busog ko, guys. Kasi sobrang dami kong in-order. Whatever I want, order ako ng ilang beses. Pero hindi ko pa na-try yung mga nila. Hindi ko pa na-try yung mga sa pastries, sa bakery nila na part. Kasi sobrang busog ko na. So, hindi ko na lang siya nakain. Pero, I had good breakfast. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast nila kasi nga freshly made. Hindi yung sa buffet. Alam mo yung sa buffet, tas nandyan na siya ng ilang minuto. Yun talaga kasi fresh. Ginawa nila ng fresh. So, sobrang sarap. Mainit pa yung omelette nila. Like, fresh pa yung mga fruits nila. Like, sobrang fresh ng nila, yung food nila. So, I recommend din na pag magstay kayo dito, i-book nyo lang na breakfast included kasi nga sobrang sarap ng breakfast nila dito. Hi guys, tapos na kaming maligo, and now we are just walking around. Pupunta kami sa beach and pool area. Sobrang daming tanim. Hi. Yan. Sobrang daming tanim. Pinutol nila. This is the pool. Yan, one of the pools. For kids? I think this is for the kids. Yan. Ganda dito, oh. There's another pool there. For the kids. This for the kids. Wow. You like it, babe?
I love it.
Me like it. Happy anniversary. Yep. You wanna take photo there? There's a word and dance. Ha? Sobrang laki ng pool nila dito. Pang kids. And adult. Lakad-lakad na kami dito, guys. Yan o. Pa yung sand nila. Brown. The what?
I think it's at the villas. You get upstairs, maybe the villas down here.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Woo. Ha?
Wait, wait.
Cream. Ganito siya paggabi, guys. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos na kaming kumain and we're walking to our hotel. Merong mga sobrang daming gift shop. Oh. Nandito na kami sa hotel, guys. Ha? Okay. This way ka na. Oh, sige. What? What? I don't know. Ganito siya. Huh? The what? Huh? Ito siya. We're coming. Ito yung lobby nila. Sobrang ganda, guys. Tingnan niyo yan. Oh, diba? Yan. Sobrang ganda ng lobby. Ayan. Hi! Ganito siya. Sobrang daming water dito. Mga isda, koi, white. That's the guy right there, babe. Babe, that's the guy. It's not him. Yan siya, guys. Sobrang ganda. Yan yung breakfast place dyan. Dyan kami kumain ng breakfast. Yeah, babe. You wanna have some coffee, babe? Ha? Ito yung guys, pool na yan yung kwarto namin, 3rd floor. Ito yung pool na makikita namin. Hindi pa namin ito na-try, pero check natin yung water. Ginaw besh. Ginaw siya. Hindi siya heated pool. So yan siya. Pero sobrang ganda. How many pool do they have right here, babe? How many pool do they have here?
How many pools?
Yeah, how many pool do they have? 3? Okay. Tatlong pool pala dito, guys. Yan siya, sobrang ngit-ngit siya, bash, pero carry lang kasi makikita naman namin yung tawag doon, yung agian ba. We're done eating. Sobrang busog namin kasi nag-buffet kami for our anniversary. Yeah. Hi. So we're gonna go up. Here, babe. Yeah. Mag-stairs lang kami. Hindi naman sobrang haba yung nila dito, yung mga stairs nila. So, stairs lang kami para mag-burn din sa ibang nakain namin kasi sobrang daming nakain namin as usual. Pang 3rd floor kami. Sesame! Kami. Minsan lang ang aming kwarto. May bago namang ganito. Kukunin yan ni Maria. Welcome to our room. Nilinisan nila, so which is good. Ito yung beer na binigay nila pero hindi namin ininom. Hala. Hey, this is cute. Look. What? Happy 30th. Perfect naman ta, pero happy 30th anniversary. This is older than me. What? This is cute. Where's the cake? They gave us this one, so there should be a cake. But it's just not here. Oh, wow. Look. Ah! Ah! Wow. This is nice. Thank you, Andas, Bali, Indonesia. Happy 30th anniversary. May your love continue to thrive to infinity and beyond. Matur Soksma, Simedon, Andas, Bali. Thank you, Matur. Dang. That's so nice of them. Did not expect that. You wanna eat this? I'm very full! Sobrang busog ko. Hindi ko alam kung makain ko to siya, pero ilagay natin siya. Hey. Yay! So ngayon guys, ay maghilamos lang ako at mag-ready ng bed. Mag-ready for bed pala. And then, yeah, mag-half bath. And then, yun lang yung aming araw. And by the way, pumunta kami sa shop, mga gift shop. And bumili ako ng mga kaunting pasalubong sa aking pamilya. And then, pero ipapakita ko yan bukas na lang kasi nga late na dito. And then, medyo pagod na ako kasi nga since kanina pa kami umaga, naglakad-lakad, tas nag-explore sa area na kung saan kami stay. So yun na guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the vlog. So see you on my next vlog.